Here is how I moisturize my hair before going to bed. I use this Herbal Hair Spray. It contains some herbs, some carrier oils and some essential oil. So I apply it directly to my scalp and to my hair. So this will help my hair to stay hydrated throughout the night. It will prevent dryness. It also helps with scalp irritation, dandruff, itchiness, and all of that. So this is what I do every night. I also do it in the morning too before I apply other hair care products. So after I'm done with that, then I will use my satin hair bonnet. So this will help to retain the moisture I just applied to my hair. So my hair is good to go. Stay moisturized all day. Thank you for watching.